Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Levi Yitzchak Ben Sur Sashim Berdichev Schusi Uleinim Kol Yisrael Mein. This week's Parshas Tzav, and we only have an incomplete teaching from the Kedushas Levi in this week's Parsha, and we will learn it together. In Chatas v'Oila, Chatas Kodemis l'Oila. The concept of the sin offering and the burnt offering, that the sin offering comes before the burnt offering. Ki Chatas who are Yasher me'olam elyon. A sin offering is a straight light that comes from the higher world, lo'olam atachton, from the higher world to the lower world. V'oilu choizer me'olam atachton lo'olam elyon, l'chein oila kula kolel. But a burnt offering, which literally means an elevation offering, that comes from the lower world back up to the higher world because it's a totally burnt offering. And that's the meaning when the scripture says that you should offer in Leviticus chapter 9 verse 17, and you should offer the burnt offering and perform it according to the law, according to the rules. That the letters of the name, the word Tishrei, they go backwards. Taf, Shin, Reish, that's the backwards order of the alphabet, which also hints to this that's when the new year is. That's also this idea of this returning light. The end of this teaching is missing, but we see that that's what it's hinting to here, that this idea of the light that comes down from God and the light that we return back up to heaven. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe.